It'd help if it was on. It would help tremendously. Interior is now done. We just completed it out here because it's so nice out. We get better ambient light, and we are conditioning all the leathers and vinyls with lithium hide rehab. Now, the owner did request that he wanted a more matte finish on the inside and matte tires. So this does produce that finish. It's not going to be greasy. It's not going to be shiny at all. Was this door done?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. So the hide rehab does not leave any type of extra shiny surface at all. It's just more of a natural look to the vinyls and leathers. Some leather and vinyl is naturally shiny, and you really can't do much to try to dull that shininess unless you actually abrade it, and that's not good for it. So use whatever matte finish product you like, but just realize that some panels, some leather and vinyl is naturally shiny, and you really can't dull that shine that much. So leather is looking great, nice and clean. Carpets are steamed. They're looking nice and fresh. All right, excellent. Let's pull it in. We're going to start polishing, and we'll see how well we can really make this white paint pop. We do have some weird little issues here. Once we pull it in, we'll show you under the lights, but look, stuff is already falling on the paint. Let's use a little bit of this just to see if anything will be on the paint. The paint is very smooth already, so I really don't think this is going to pull anything, but let's see. All right, a little bit. See that? A little bit here and there. Not bad at all. A tiny bit of reaction here and there. But is it enough to do the entire vehicle? No, not really. It doesn't really need it that much. We'll save you for another time. So I'm going to use some brake buster, and this is just straight in the bottle here. You can dilute this if you want, but it's gentle enough to use on brand new wheels and not have to worry too much. Really not that dirty at all. These little mitts here are perfect for cleaning sensitive wheels. Hey babe, would you like to come over here and rinse? Sorry.
to?
I don't know. Anyone who may have been disturbed by the beeping of the horn.
Can you blow up there? Those buggers.
Yep.
Beetles and buggies.
Yep.
Budgies.
Budgies. Oh, look at that, a beetle.
Ow! Ow!
You knew what was going to happen.
It flew at me.
You knew what was going to happen. I warned you, and yet you ignored my warnings. Drama.